So I'm going to make the roof sections first, put them to one side, then do the front bit, secure it all in, and then stick the roof bits in. So hot today. Whoa! It's just too hot, isn't it?
All this time, I thought that it was love. All along, you tried to bring me down. Sail away with me or stay behind. In my heart, destination is the sky. In my heart, destination is the sky. In my heart, destination is the sky.
Let's try and move these then, eh? I'm going to cut this wood, but I'm going to save you from having to watch me do it. So there are the frames laid out, ready to put together. I hope you like time lapses.
People in the world to celebrate. I wanna be free to live my life with love of the people in the world to celebrate.
I think I'm going to stick them up and see what they look like. Well, that's that done. Question is, how am I going to get these things up there? Tell you what, that's firmed up this roof structure. Aren't any flex in it at all now, which is exactly what you want when you're going to put something heavy or relatively heavy like OSB, even though it's going to be thin OSB. But what I need to do first, before I put that sort of what on top of this structure, there's a bit of wobble here, and the thing that's going to sort that out is cladding it, and I'm cladding it with plywood. And over the next few days, from what I understand, it's going to be a bit showery, so I need a dry area to work on, which is hopefully going to be this workshop, because I'm just going to put a temporary cover over the top. Let's make a cover and put it on. Why can't they just tidy up after themselves? It's a standard DPM. I tell you what, you can use it for all sorts of interesting things. It's helped me on so many projects. You just use it to cover up whatever you want. Use it like a tarpaulin basically. So I'm going to make a temporary cover out of this stuff. Let's measure it out, get it cut, and see if we can get it on with the wind blowing.
To live my life, this life, love all the people in the world to celebrate. This life, wanna be free. To live my life, this life, love all the people in the world to celebrate. This life, wanna be free.
So now that I've put a temporary cover on this, we should be all right to work inside it. Worry about the OSB floor getting drenched and then expanding and then misshapen.